Learn how to cut and install floor ceramic tiles in difficult corners with this complete step-by-step professional guide. Tiling around tight spaces, irregular angles, door frames, wall edges, and challenging corners can be one of the most difficult parts of any flooring project. In this video, you'll discover practical techniques used by experienced tile installers to achieve precise cuts, clean edges, and a professional finish. From measuring and marking the tile correctly to making accurate cuts and fitting each piece perfectly into place. Every stage of the process is demonstrated in detail. You'll also see useful tips for reducing material waste, improving tile alignment, maintaining consistent grout joints, and ensuring a strong and durable installation. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics of ceramic tile installation or an experienced tradesperson looking to improve your corner cutting techniques, this tutorial provides valuable insights that can help you achieve better results. Proper planning, accurate measurements, and careful installation are essential when working around difficult corners. And this video shows the methods that professionals use every day.